I got to tell you a story. It's hilarious. What the heck was that you just saw? Well, I was editing up. I've done a video about the Taff Vale Railway, Railway 200, Taff Vale Railway. Trying to get Taff Vale Railway into 10 minutes. Spoiler alert, it was 14. Very difficult to do. Part of the series I'm doing, and I'm out actually today filming the Rumney in the Newport Abercynon Hereford Railway. Hence why I'm sitting up with my friend here on Hengoed Massi Cumavadat. What happened? What was this picture all about? Well, when I get to the end of my videos, I will put, as you can see, this up. The way it's done, it's actually a green screen background. I drop what's known as a video merge onto it, so all the green goes away. Actually stopped using it, prefer this one now. I'm probably going to use this one in the future. Now, problem was, I dropped the video merge on the wrong track on the video editor, and it merged all the video with all the black and white footage. That shirt I've got on was actually light blue. The sky, as you can see, looks as though the four horsemen in the apocalypse are coming, but trust me, they're not. So the actual video will be coming out in a few weeks' time. I've got a couple of others to come out before then, and obviously I've got the Rumney. I've got various other railways I'm filming at the moment, and my little friend here pops up in one of them. So you want to know who he is, then like and subscribe, as they say. Until next time.